Hi guys, how to download music from YouTube. As MP3 file, now open the YouTube website or app, and then click your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. This is where all the good stuff hides, so don't skip it. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you see Audio Library and click it. Here's a secret most creators miss. This is 100% royalty-free music, no copyright strikes ever. Browse through the list of tracks and hit the play button on the left side of any song to preview it first. Always preview before downloading, because not every track fits your video's mood. Once you find a song you love, click the download button on the far right side of the track list. Keep watching because the next step shows a faster way to save it. Alternatively, you can click the download icon at the bottom right of the player bar to save the file as an MP3 to your computer. This shortcut saves you time. Hit subscribe for more YouTube growth tips.